my soon-to-be wife, it would be an understatement to say we've had a wide variety of experiences in our relationship. Some great, some hard times, lots of laughter, a few tears, a couple stinky moments, some painful days. But no matter which part of the roller coaster of life we are on, there's no other woman I want beside me with our hands up, excited about what is around the curve. Our relationship has been forged in fire and we are more solid than ever. It is no coincidence that when I asked God for His grace and guidance while you were away at boot camp, that I had a clear conviction you were the one I wanted to be with for the rest of my life. Now we share our love for God and our trust in His plan together, and there's no greater comfort or bond. We can do and get through anything because, as I always tell you, God only gives tough things to those who can handle it. There are so many qualities about you I admire.
Jesse, my love, today is our day, September 29th, 2018. To think this all started with a spin class set up on bikes next to each other. And then it really took off the night of December 10th, 2016 when you had the Black Beatles BO, but I was clearly still feeling you since we spent hours making out that night. I should have known then that you were my person. I obviously wasn't bothered by your pheromones. Since then, I've enjoyed so many amazing times with you. I've learned a lot about myself in the process. I've learned to let go, to trust, to be vulnerable, to trust in God's plan for my life. You have helped me to see a different perspective, and I'm so incredibly thankful for you. I feel love, true, real, unconditional love for you. What an incredible feeling of safety that I feel now for the first time in my life. I am so in love with you.